Motivation for learning English can stem from various sources, each driven by unique personal, academic, or professional aspirations. Here are some common motivators that inspire individuals to embark on the journey of mastering the English language. Global communication. English serves as a global lingua franca, connecting people from diverse linguistic backgrounds. Mastering English opens up avenues for effective communication with individuals worldwide, fostering cross-cultural understanding and collaboration. Academic pursuits. Many individuals pursue English language proficiency to excel in academic endeavors. English is often the medium of instruction in prestigious universities, and proficiency is crucial for academic success, research opportunities, and accessing a broader range of educational resources. Career opportunities. In today's globalized world, English proficiency is a valuable asset in the professional realm. Many multinational companies use English as their primary language of communication, and being proficient in English enhances job prospects, facilitates international collaborations, and opens doors to a wide array of career opportunities. Cultural exposure. English is the language of some of the world's most influential literature, movies, and music. Individuals often seek to learn English to immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of global culture, accessing a wealth of creative works and broadening their cultural horizons. Travel and exploration. English is a commonly spoken language in many tourist destinations. Learning English enables individuals to navigate unfamiliar environments more comfortably, communicate with locals, and make the most of their travel experiences. Personal development. Acquiring a new language is a challenging yet rewarding endeavor that stimulates cognitive functions and enhances problem-solving skills. Learning English can be seen as a personal growth journey, fostering resilience, patience, and adaptability. Access to information. A significant portion of the Internet's content is in English. Learning the language provides individuals with access to a vast repository of information, research, and online resources, enriching their knowledge base and expanding their intellectual capabilities. Social connectivity. English proficiency facilitates social interactions on various platforms, including social media, where people from different corners of the world connect and share ideas. Being able to communicate effectively in English enhances one's social connectivity and networking opportunities. Self-expression. English is a versatile language that allows individuals to express themselves with nuance and precision. Learning English enables individuals to articulate their thoughts, ideas, and emotions more effectively, both in spoken and written forms. Educational opportunities abroad. Many individuals aspire to pursue higher education in English-speaking countries. Proficiency in the language is a prerequisite for admission to reputable universities, making English proficiency an essential step towards achieving educational goals. The motivation to learn English is multifaceted and varies from person to person. Whether driven by professional ambitions, academic pursuits, or a desire for cultural enrichment, the journey of learning English is a transformative experience that opens doors to a world of opportunities and connections.